So from this paper, let us see question number 6 now. First one is, if x is equals to 4 root 15 by root 5 plus root 3, then find the value of this value, that is x plus root 20 by x minus root 20 plus x plus root 12 by x minus root 12 value you need to find out. So we should use applying component and dividend rule. We will solve this. So let me show this problem. From the given value only we need to find out this value. So I will show the easy method. So in this first one is, there is a given x is equals to 4 root 15 by root 5 plus root 3. Okay, if you simplify this, 4 I can write 2 into 2, root 15 you can write root 5 into root 3. So I'll tell you why I am taking like this. Then root 5 plus root 3 is as it is. So if you observe this, x plus root 20. So this once you take 2 root 5, once you take 2 root 3. So 2 into root 5 is root 20, because 2 we can write root 4. So root 4 into root 5 is root 20, and 2 into root 3. So 2 is again root 4. Root 4 into root 3 is root 12. That's why I am taking in two ways this. Once you take x by 2 root 3, or else take 2 root 5. X by 2 root 5 is equals to, so this 2 root 5 took denominator, and remaining is 2 root 3. 2 root 3 by again root 5 plus root 3, right? Now this is 2 root 5 is nothing but, so root 20 it is. X by 2 we can write root 4. Okay, root 4 into root 5 is square root of 20, is equals to 2 root 3 by root 5 plus root 3. So it will be this as it is. Similarly, we can take one more. This is another is x by, again from the same this statement only, we will take now 2 root 3 to denominator. Remaining is 2 root 5 by again root 5 plus root 3. Okay, 2 root 3 is root 12. So x by, this is root 12, is equals to 2 root 5 by root 5 plus root 3. Right? Because why I am taking, we need to find out x plus root 20 and x plus root 12 are there in numerator place. We'll apply component and dividend rule for this both. So for this 1 and 2, applying component and dividend rule. We'll apply for both. So applying component and dividend rule. Yes, if you apply numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. So in that way, we can take this both statements. One is x plus root 20 by x minus root 20 is equals to, again from this numerator plus denominator, that is 2 root 3 plus root 5 plus root 3 by again 2 root 3 minus root 5 minus root 3. Okay. Now let it be equation 1. Again from this also applying component and dividend rule, that is x plus root 12 by x minus root 12, that is equals to 2 root 5 plus root 5 plus root 3 by again 2 root 5 minus root 5 minus root 3. Second equation. These both we need to add, because there is LHS only we need to find out. So if you observe, x plus root 20 by x minus root 20 plus x plus root 12 by x minus root 12 you should find out. That means you should add this both. So 1 plus 2 if you do, then LHS is similar like what we need to find out, that is x plus root 20 by x minus root 20 plus x plus root 12 by x minus root 12. Now RHS if you simplify, there is the answer. That is if you take this 2 root 3 plus root 3 is 3 root 3 by plus root 5 is there, and here 2 root 3 minus root 3, there is only root 3 minus root 5, plus again this side 2 root 5 plus root 5 is 3 root 5 plus root 3 by again 2 root 5 minus root 5 is only root 5, square root of 5 minus root 3. So denominators are not same, but you can, by changing this sign we can change this, that is 3 root 3 plus root 5 by root 3 minus root 5. If you keep minus sign, then this root 5 minus root 3 becomes root 3 minus root 5. If you change this to root 5 plus root 3 as it is, this denominator will change the sign. Now in denominator same, you can subtract the numerators. That is 3 root 2 plus root 5 minus 3 root 5 minus root 3. Minus is taken common. Then that is 3 minus, okay, root 3 minus root 5 is denominator. Then 3 root 3 minus root 3. That is a 2 root 3 minus 2 root 5 by root 3 minus root 5. So from this take 2 common from the numerator. So root 3 minus root 5 by root 3 minus root 5 is denominator. Right? You can cancel this both. Then the remaining is 2. Yes. So 2 is the answer for this. So from the given statement only we need to take this step. Right? Let's see the next question. Second one is here. Following are the lives in hours of 16 pieces of the components of an aircraft engine. Find the median of an interquartile range. So some data is given. For this we should find out median and interquartile range. So any data is raw data. This is not arranged in a table. So when raw data is given, we should make in ascending order first. So arranging the given data in ascending order, then you can find out the median interquartile range also. So let's take this data in order. So there are total 60 numbers. 16 if you can making arranging in ascending order, so you'll get like this. Arranging the given data in ascending order. So in ascending order, small to big ascending order we should take first. So that is xi. So x1, x2, x1. So if you make in ascending order, we get the numbers like this. 694. From the question I am writing this. 696. These are all 60 numbers you write. So 699. 705. Small to big numbers I am writing. 710, 712, 715, 716. And this is 2 times. So 716 you can write same as this. Then you also write 2 times. 716. Again 719. 724. 725. 728. 729. 734 and 745 is the biggest number. These are the total 16. So n is equals to 16. So this is the even number. If it is even, you can write the median formula. So because of it's a even number, then median is equals to, that is half of the formula. If you write 1 by 2 into, that is n by 2 observation plus n by 2 plus 1 observation. We should take like this. So n is 16. So half of the n by 2, 16 by 2 is, so 8th observation in this list, n by 2. So 16 by 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9th observation. This both you should find out first. So in this order, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 and 9 are same. 7, 16, 7, 16. That is half of the 716 plus 716. Right? 2 times. So it is 1 by 2 into 2 times 716. 2 to cancel. 716 is the median. Now quartile 1, quartile 3 we should find out. Q1, Q3, because we need interquartile ranges Q3 minus Q1. So again Q1 is, that is equals to n by 4th observation. So 16 by 4, that means 4th observation in the list. So 4th observation from starting is 705. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4th number. And Q3 is, that is 3 by 4 into, so 3n by 4th observation. So that is 3 into 16 by 4. So 12th observation it is. 12th observation from starting is 725 in the list. So from the list you should count that for 4th one and 12th one. Now interquartile range. So therefore this is the formula I will apply. So interquartile range. Interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. So you need to find out these both values. Q3 is 725 minus 705. That is 20. So 20 is the interquartile range and median is 716. Right, this is about this problem. So we need to make an ascending order of the data, then we can find out easily. And next one is here, if the sum of a certain number of terms of an AP 25, 22, 19, so on is 116. Find the last term. So Sn is given, the last term means An we should find out. Let's take the series and let me do this. So here the series is given, that is given series in AP, arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is here 25, 22, 19 and so on. This is the list. Hence from this A is equals to 25, the first number, and common difference. That is second number minus first. So 22 minus 25, that is equals to minus 3 is the common difference. So let the sum of n terms, because n is given, the sum of n terms is 116. Sum of a certain number of the terms is 116. So we can take Sn. So sum of n terms is 116. So this is given. Let us apply Sn formula, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is 116. We know a value, d value, substitute in this formula. Then you can find out n value easily. That is n by 2, 2a. So 2 into 25. 50 plus n minus 1, d is minus 3. Is equals to 116. So we need to solve this. Then simplify this. N by 2 into 50 plus, okay, this is minus into minus, so plus 3 minus 3n is equals to 116. Then you can take this 2 by simplifying this, 53. N by 2 into 53 minus 3n is equals to 116. And by simplifying this and continue to simplify this, is finally we'll get 2, take this side, 116 into 2 is 232. So n into minus 3n plus 53 is equals to 232, right? Then simplify this, then we'll get finally minus 3n square plus 53n is equals to 232. Take the terms one side, other side, then 3n square minus 53n plus 232 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. Here first n square constant is 3, so we need to use the quadratic equation simplification concept. Here constant is n square, coefficient is 3, constant is 232. So 232 into 3, this is 8 into 29 into 3. Okay, 8 3 is a 24. So 24 into 29 is this 232 into 3 and 24 29. If you add 53 will come. That's why you can write like this. So 3n square, right, minus 29n minus 24n plus 232 is equal to 0. Then take n common, 3n minus 29 minus 8 common, 3n minus 29 is equal to 0. Simplification is simple now. So 3n minus 29 into n minus 8 is equal to 0. From this both n is equals to 29 by 3 or n is equals to 8. So number of terms should be a natural number. So a fraction is neglected. So this is the neglected one. Then n is equals to 8. So number of terms is 8 now. Then we can find out. So S8 is 16. S8. Sum of 8 terms is 116. Right. Then we can find out the last term. So last term they asked. So from this Sn, one more formula is n by 2 into a plus l. L is the last term, that is 116. So n is 16, n is 8, right? So n is equals to 8 by 2 into a is 25 plus l is equals to 116. We cancel, this is 4. So 25 plus l is equals to 116 by 4. 116 by 4 is equals to 29. Then from this l is equals to 4. So last term is the 4 in this. Okay, 29 minus 25. Right. After finding n value only, we can find out the an, the last term. You can use alternate method, that a8 also you can apply it for this. Any method you can use. So find the n value, then you can find out l value. So this is the question number 6. Now let us solve the problem 7 now.